Hello everyone, this is Raptor. I hope you guys are well. Welcome back in another YouTube video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get an early update of my upcoming videos. So in this video, I will show you guys how you can connect this mini solo Bitcoin lottery miner on Bitcoin Merge Solo Mining Pool. So let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the Gold Nugget Solo Bitcoin lottery miner, and this miner solo mine Bitcoin at 350 kilohash of hash rate and just using 1 watt of electricity. Do you imagine? So this little solo Bitcoin lottery miner is from the bitcoinmerch.com and you can purchase it from their store for just $60. And if you want some discount, you can use code Raptor for 5% discount on your purchase. You can also check out different solo Bitcoin lottery miners from their website like BitX, Marshlanders and other Bitcoin solo miners. So check out, link is available in the video description. So in this video, I will set it up on the Bitcoin Merge mining pool. So recently Bitcoin Merge launched their own solo Bitcoin mining pool. And as you can see, here is the pool. I have already mentioned in my previous video. You can watch it on my YouTube channel. Link is available in the top right corner of this screen. You can watch this video. This is the setup and review video of the Gold Nugget Solo Bitcoin lottery miners. So let's start the setup process. So first of all, we need to reset this Gold Nugget miner. And as you can see on this screen, publicpool.io, here is the current pool. So let me reset this and I'll get back in few minutes. Okay guys, so now as you can see, the device is now resetted, and if you want to reset, you can just click the first button for just 5 to 10 seconds and device will reset. Okay guys, so now I'm using my phone and you need to go to the Wi-Fi. Here you can see the NUGGET miner AP. Okay, so go to the configure Wi-Fi and choose your Wi-Fi network. Okay, now enter your Wi-Fi password. Now enter the pool URL. Okay guys, so as you can see, the pool URL is pool.bitcoinmerch.com. The pool port is 3333. Now enter your Bitcoin wallet address. I am pasting my Bitcoin wallet address. You can change your time zone and just click save. You can see saving credentials. Wait for a few minutes. Okay guys, so as you can see, the Gold Nugget starts solo mining on the Bitcoin Merge pool, but here is some issue. Here you can see it's still showing the public pool info, 0 worker and the 00 total hash rate. I don't know, this might be the glitch, but I don't know when they will fix it. But on the Bitcoin Merge mining pool, you can see here, view your stats. Just enter your Bitcoin wallet address and click on my worker, and here you can see the stats of the Gold Nugget on the Bitcoin Merge pool. You can see the hash rate, best difficulty, network difficulty, and the Bitcoin block price, $273,297 at current price of Bitcoin, and the block reward is 3.125 BTC. You can see the stats. Here is the worker info. You can see worker ID, and here is the hash rate, 350 kilo hash. Same on the miner screen. So that's it for the setup process of the Gold Nugget Solo Bitcoin lottery miner on the Bitcoin Merge mining pool. You can connect any of your BitX, NerdX or any NetQ X++ Bitcoin solo miner on the Bitcoin merge mining pool. So that's it. That's how you can connect your gold nugget solo Bitcoin lottery miner on the Bitcoin merge mining pool. The setup process is very easy. It just take few minutes, but I don't like this glitch. You can see it's still showing the public pool info and the zero worker. I don't know when they will fix it, but our device is mining on the Bitcoin merge mining pool. So as always, this is not a financial advice. This video is not for financial advice purposes. Always do your own research before setting up crypto mining devices. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and share. And if you guys have any question related gold nugget solo Bitcoin lottery miner, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys later in the next video. Keep mining, stay safe. Goodbye.